How are you?
Good.
What do you want to do?
Go to Target
To the what?
to buy some stuff.
Alright, let's go and see what they have.
Yeah.
You want to take the trolley car?
Yes.
Go.
Is there tire to go? Good winter when they go, that's good for me. Daddy, I have an idea. No better tunas. Hey, Daddy, can I have this one?
What is that? Let me see. Oh, it's one-day collar. Do you want to dye your hair?
Yes.
Which color?
First this one.
The red one and the blue one? Okay, yeah, we can take that one. Okay, are you ready? Tell me which one.
I want first red. First, we gotta do red color.
Close your eyes.
Safety. First, we're gonna cover the eyes. What? Stay still.
Wow.
I love it. I'm a monster with the red hair. My name is MJ. Now I'll try the blue color. I gotta look like a Sonic.
Alright, give it to me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, you're gonna mix it up. One hand! I'm gonna look like a blue monster.
Let me finish it. Who do you look like?
I look like Sonic.
Really?
The hedgehog, yeah. Now it doesn't look Sonic. I know what's funny, Sonic. Do like this. Gotta go fast. I found one. A hedgehog. Gotta go fast.
Show me how you run. Over there. You Sonic?
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm a Sonic. Like a Woodpecker?
Oh, you look like a Woody Woodpecker?
Yeah,
Do the
like
sound.
that. Hey guys, do I look like a Woodpecker or like a Sonic the Hedgehog?
Alright, Sonic, show me how you can run. That is a fast Sonic.
Thank you. I'm a Sonic jumping on the swimming pool to swim. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you for watching MJ the Sonic. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye everyone.